Hello guys, welcome to Code Extreme. So today we are going to do our POTD, lead code number 1323, maximum 69 number, which is tagged as easy. So let's read the question. You are given a positive integer num consisting only of digits 6 and 9. So our number will be containing only 6 and 9 digits. So return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit. So okay, 6 becomes 9s and 9s become 6. So if we have to return the maximum number, uh, how can we get the maximum number? We can change our 6 into 9 or 9 into 6. Okay, so this is very simple. Like we have num equal to 69669. See, we have 996 and 69 num equal to. So what we can do is we will iterate from the left. Okay, we will iterate from the left side, and whenever we will find our first 6, whenever we will find our first 6, we will change it into 9. Then we will be getting our maximum number, because we have to do this at most one. We have to do this with at most one digit. That's why. So it's very simple approach. So but for iteration we have to convert this number into a string. So first making a string str. And how can we convert? There is a function named as toString in C++ to convert a number into the string. So this will convert this number into a string. Now we can iterate into this string int I equal to 0 and I should be less than str dot size. Okay, and I plus plus. Whenever we will find our first 9, oh sorry, if our str's I is equal to 9, sorry 6, whenever we will find our first 6, we will change it into 9. So 9, and we will break there, because we have to do this operation only once. If we will not find, if we will not find the number 6, then it will iterate through the whole string, and at last automatically will over the loop. Okay, so what we will be doing now is num equal to changing this string into the number. Okay, again changing this string into the number again, because we have to return our integer. So num equal to for this task there is one another function stoi, string to integer, you can say it. Okay, so here I will write a string, sorry, and now we will return simply our num, and this is our answer. So let's run the code. Hopefully it will be passing. Oh sorry, semicolon missing, semicolon missing. So if you understand, then don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. So let's submit, comment also. So thanks for watching.